What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick video because I know times are hard just about everywhere in the world right now. People losing their jobs, not being able to make money. So I figured I'd bring y'all a video, show you 5 websites that you can make money online with. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my number 1 suggested website to go to work for yourself and make 6 figures a year. I guess without further ado, let's get started. Y'all know the deal. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if it's helpful or not. I hope everybody's doing well out there and everything. So let's get started. First website we're going to go to is, I guess you can go. It's a translation website where, as you can see, a lot of people use it. Airbnb, Amazon, YouTube, Bloomberg, Bitcoin, hell, even the U.S. Navy. It's high quality translation solutions. This is a great website if you know other languages and other things to do. As you see, there's 70 plus language pairs. 5 million plus words already been translated. Just more people that's used it. Even Coach, really, I'm shocked. Marketing and SEO. It's friction-free ordering. You order online. Fully automated, volume pricing. This for y'all that are going to want to have something translated versus being able to translate. But here's what most everybody wants to know is, how much does it cost, or how much are you going to make? Roughly you're going to make 6 cents a word because most everything's going to be everyday content, not professional content. Of course, some things you would. Subtitling, of course, or video transcription is different. You can get special quotes for that. Basically, if you're going to do it, you come down here and go to services. I guess I could have went up there at the top too. But anyway, come in here and you set up as a freelancer. Okay, it's not that hard to do at all. Here's a 800 number if you want it. Different things you can do: proofreading, transcription, content summarization, copywriting. I mean, you can do all this with this place. I mean, it's really a good thing. But that's the first website. The next website will be rev.ocm, which is a transcription website. You listen to video or audio and do right now what they're saying basically. It's, this is for closed captions right here, and it's $1.25 a minute. And transcribe, convert audio into or video into text is $1.25. If you're translating with foreign subtitles, you make a lot more money if you know a foreign language, which fortunately I don't. I wish I did. I'd make a lot more money doing this stuff. Here again, it's super simple to use. You come down here at the bottom of the home page. Where's that? It says freelancers. Here it is. Click on freelancers, and once my computer decides to load it, you can have a flexible work schedule. choose from hundreds of jobs, get paid weekly. All you gotta do is this right here. It's super simple to set up to make money. I mean, as you see, the transcription is gets paid between 30 cents to $1.10 per video minute. That don't mean every minute you're working. That means per minute of video that you transcribe. Like say there's a 10-minute video, right? And you got paid 30 cents a minute to transcribe it, you're gonna make $3 for that video. Not for 10, which I guess if you type quick enough you can do it in 10 minutes, but unfortunately I don't. Same as a captioner, you know, it's per minute of video or audio, depending on the case. Um, it's not really that hard. As you see, they're featured in many high-end, what you call it, too, publications. That's the word I was looking for. And, you know, all you gotta do is sign up. It's free to sign up. Don't cost you anything. It's super easy. The next one will be virtualassistantjobs.com. Here, as you see, you can get paid via virtual assistant, and they're not bad jobs. They're relatively easy. Of course, you need to send in a resume to have it done. But here, let's click here where it says jobs instead of find jobs over there. I'll show you what type of money they're making. You know, it's like I said, with all this crisis going on in the world and everything else right now, I know people are losing jobs and not making any money. You know, and I know people have to have money to survive. Luckily, you know, I have passive income and everything else, but, you know, even if I didn't, I would be looking for something like this in order to make money. Here we go. Finally came up, didn't it? Okay. Go back to the top here. Part-time billing, $25 an hour reps. Flexible, posted a day ago. This one's $12.50 an hour, and these are actually hourly paid, not per video hour or whatever. These are per hour. Full and part-time remote search specialist. You know, data entry for $15. A lot of this is all grading assistant. I guess you're grading papers or something, and it's $16 an hour. These are all basically entry-level jobs. Some of them actually teach you how to do it. Some of them don't. I'm sure this one probably isn't. At $28 an hour, closed captioning transcriber. Yeah, that's more like what I was showing you a while ago. You know, but you can make really good money doing virtual assistant work. You really can. And, you know, if you can't find something there, come over to our website called upwork.com. Here you can search for what you're wanting. Even if it ain't virtual assistant work or whatever, you can, if you're here, they've got just about anything under the sun you could want to do. And you can sign up and, let's see, I don't remember, can you, here, go to jobs. Say you want to be a web, well, yeah, matter of fact, web development right here. Design, web, writing, administrative support. You can do all sorts of stuff on this website. If there is a job out there that can be done virtually of any sort, it's probably on here. Seriously. And you know, you go on here and you either post a job or you find a job and you apply for it. I guess not apply, but bid on it. That's what you do. You bid on it, not apply for it. And, you know, as you see, these are the top rated developers that they have for you to hire. These are guys out here making money doing this. You see this one's in Egypt, he's in Ukraine, he's in California. Not even sure how to pronounce that. But, you know, $40 an hour, and they're still highest rated developers they have online. I mean, you know, it is a worldwide website. So, you know, you can definitely make your money on this website if you know how to do any sort of computer work, basically. Video editing, you can do transcription on here too. You can do all sorts of things. And then the last uh, actual job website I'm going to show you is Amazon. AmazonJobs.com. Or I'm sorry, it's Amazon.jobs, not .com. Don't put the .com at the end of it. Even though if you search it, I'm sure it'd still come up. But and you know, if you type in the word virtual here, this is what you get. Senior virtual, you know, 12 days ago. That was 11 months ago, but obviously they still need it. Uh, as you see, you got all sorts of job categories here, and 1,400, 800, 540. All these are job openings, people that are still, you know, it's jobs that are on with Amazon, and Amazon is a multi-billion-dollar company. As you've seen from their homepage, they're hiring 100,000 full and part-time fulfillment and delivery options just in the U.S. alone right now, because of all that's going on in the world right now. Matter of fact, it's kind of affecting one of my streams of income, but that's okay. You know, if that's what it takes for them to get essential goods out to people, I'm fine with it. Um, you know, I still have multiple streams coming in, so it's fine. Um, but you know, but if y'all don't want to work for somebody else, check out the first link in the description, and it'll take you right here to a 15-day challenge that will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. And it's, you know, with this you get uh, one-on-one business coach. As you see, the first day you get 51 minutes of training. The second day you get 30. Can't remember. It's 30 something. Oh man, let it come up. But you know, all this will teach you how. I'm sorry, it's 45 minutes worth of training on the second day. But there's always 30 to 45 minutes worth of training in this first 15 days. And I go ahead and tell you, to sign up for the first 15 days is $7. That's it, $7. And in that $7, you get a one-on-one coach. You get all the high-ticket training to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing and everything else. It's, like I said, it is probably my favorite thing out there. And yes, I am an affiliate. The link in the description is an affiliate link, but it's like I said, it's $7. It's, you know, it's nothing major. It is a beautiful thing, and in that 7 or 15 days, you learn the basics on how to become a high ticket affiliate marketer. That there's guys in this program that's making $1 million a year now. I mean, you know, 6 figures is common. 7, 8 figures a year is not as common, but it is possible. Um, you know, so if y'all have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Remember, I come out with videos at least 3 times a week. Hit the notification bell. Sometimes I'll throw in a bonus here and there. It depends on what's going on in the world and how bad I think everybody needs something. Um, be sure to hit the like button. Till next time, I'll talk to y'all later.